to the exhibit on your left-hand side, you will see Sydney, one of our male emus. And on the right-hand side, we have Angus, our other male emu. And under the tree is Hayward, our female emu. Hayward and Sydney used to be paired up as a little couple, but Sydney had gotten injured a while back. We had to remove him from their enclosure. When he came back after, being away for so long, Hayward had moved on to Angus. Now Sydney has no female companion. And Hayward and Angus pretty much chase him from wherever he is all day long. Anything to make him uncomfortable. But we show Sydney lots of love and lots of attention. And we did just get him a new female companion. She's up on the top of the hill, but not out in the enclosure yet. So hopefully they'll let her out soon so Sydney can get to know her better. We're just praying that she doesn't like Angus better than Sydney. That would be a major backfire. Coming up on the left at the end of this turn, you're going to see one of our male wallaroos. He is brown instead of gray like the rest of our male wallaroos and female wallaroos. His name is Irwin. He is our alpha male. He is also the youngest male wallaroo we have, and he is also the largest male wallaroo we have. He is also still growing. And there's Irwin.
There he is. He's way down there.
Where? And if you keep looking down by the fence, you will see Lucy and CJ.
It's a bear.
It was a deer, right?
I know. I see a deer.
What was it? Kangaroo? Wallaroo. Oh. I don't know what that is. Kangaroo, actually. It's not the kangaroo.
Lucy is female and CJ is a male. Both of them are the same exact color. As you see, only Irwin would be our breeding male. Also on your left-hand side, we have an overview of our Valley Children's Zoo, where you can see alligators, ring-tailed lemurs, river otters, giant tortoises, potbelly pigs, bats, and a petting zoo. If you haven't been down there yet today, you should definitely try to make it before you leave.